Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone unlocked and your Apple ID accessible so you can view saved credentials. Once done, open Settings and tap Passwords. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You need iCloud Keychain enabled to see synced passwords across devices, so make sure that setting is on. This step is about proving you're the device owner and giving the system permission to reveal stored website and app credentials. Next, search or scroll through the passwords list to locate the account you need. Tap the entry to reveal the username and password. The phone shows masked characters until you authenticate, so make sure you allow it. Once visible, you can copy the password into an app or use autofill directly in Safari and supported apps. If the password was saved on another Apple device via iCloud Keychain, it will sync. Otherwise, consider updating or saving new credentials for future. If you can't access passwords because you're locked out or forgot your Apple ID, begin account recovery at iForget. Apple, calm and follow two-factor prompts. Make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled on other trusted devices so entries sync back to your phone. If recovery fails, contact Apple support for guided help. As a last resort, you may need to erase and restore the device from a backup. Tip: if Keychain was off, enable it and allow time for iCloud to sync before assuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.